Good morning. I'm just out field walking and I just wanted to show you what we've been battling with this week and try and explain the background behind it. So here goes. So as you can see, we've got a dark strip, strawy strip, dark strip, and what I would like is for the combine to spread the straw evenly throughout, and then it would reduce the amount of straw here, but that isn't happening. Part of the reason behind this is because we think the spring barley straw died rather than senescing, and therefore it was greener and a bit chewier than normal. Okay, and so as far as what cultivations we used to try and sort this out, we started with our standard stubble rake to try and spread it out so that the straw was equally spread over both sides. It had two stubble rakes at an angle, so it would have gone one angle like this and another angle like this. After the stubble raking, we used the Varlostat carrier, which mixed it in probably 2-3 inches. We tried then our standard culti press, but unfortunately it blocked. It wouldn't take. There was too much straw on the top. It wouldn't incorporate it. So we also we trialled a Kelly harrow out here, and that did a very interesting job of mixing, but I don't think it achieved any additional rotting. So when I say no additional rotting, the issue we have is that with moisture the straw breaks down, but in this very dry summer without any moisture, the straw wasn't breaking down. So how do we deal with it? So I'm just going to go bend down here. Now, looking at the pile here, you can see it's quite, what are we talking about? Still probably 2-3 inches of stuff on the top. So you say to me, well, why do you worry so much about trash on the top? This is what we call the straw, just call it trash. The reason is, in our moist conditions, slugs are a huge pest. We'd easily lose the whole of this field and the established wheat, I suppose, a couple of days. Certainly a significant financial impact within a couple of days, and then if untreated with slug pellets, we could have crop failure within a week. What was our solution? Our solution is to, we would normally go with our sky drill, which is a disc coulter, cuts into the soil, places the seed. However, it hairpins. So we ran an experiment out here, and which didn't go very well. So in order to explain hairpinning, using this straw down here, straw is lying flat, disc comes in and folds the straw in half, like that, and then the seed gets placed in the straw. Effectively, all it does, it rots the seed, and the seed never established. So, and hence this bit here, that is called the hairpin. So, how do you get round hairpinning? We have a second drill, Claydon drill. We have a Claydon drill. It can cut underneath the trash, and plant the seed into virgin soil. However, some major disadvantages: it moves a lot of soil, and as you can see, whereas we usually have a very fine seed bed, here we've got quite a cloddy seed bed. So by our usual standards, much cloddier than normal. This is our Claydon drill, which is tines. Here at the front you've got a lead tine, followed by an A-share tine behind, and the seed comes down this pipe, down here, and there's a hole back. Well, there's two holes at the back of the leg where the seed comes out. So the seed comes out of here, these two holes, and as you can imagine, all that trash that we were talking about in the field rests on top, and this big A-share cuts the slot underneath, and the seed comes out the back.